Free tips and tricks to help you with dog ownership. In some ways, caring for a dog is almost like caring for a kid, a big, furry, slobbery kid. Dog care is a tremendous amount of work, and it can be hard to figure out what action you should take. Thankfully, you're in the right place. This video will help you with your dog. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. When giving your dog a bath, make sure that you only put on shampoo that is intended for canines. Using lukewarm water, get the entire body wet and then begin applying the shampoo to their face, working your way down their body. Wait a few minutes and then take a washcloth and wipe off the suds from your pet's face. Wash off the rest of the shampoo as well. Before deciding on what type of dog to get for your family, consider space. Even though you may love the bigger dogs that you can really wrap your arms around, you may not have adequate space for a large breed. Take your home and yard size into consideration before bringing home a new pooch. If you notice your dog gets dry skin in the winter, you probably need to brush him or her more often. Doing so will get rid of old fur and help get their oil glands working properly. Try brushing once in the morning and once in the evening to see if it makes a difference for your pet. Be careful around Christmas time with a dog in your home. It's the busiest time of year at 24/7 animal clinics. Things like hanging and tree lights pose a danger to your dog, as they could become tangled or gnaw their way down to raw wires. The loveliest of Christmas plants are also hazardous to a dog's health, so take extra care during holidays. Caring for a dog can be absolutely exhausting, but that doesn't mean it has to be. If you use the tips and tricks in this video, you may find living with your dog is a breeze. Soon, others will be wondering how you make being a dog owner look so easy. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.